After traveling for a little while, we learned that it's difficult to find good people to work on your RV. I'm Joe Stacker from Amarillo, Texas originally, but did 22 years in the military.
I'm Charity Stacker. I grew up in Amarillo, Texas, met this guy in high school.
We kind of were looking for a way to educate ourselves so we could take care of our own RV, and after researching different programs out there, we found the NRVTA. We waited for the VA to be approved to fund us to be able to come to school here. We've loved it. It's been fantastic. The hands-on, the instructors.
Exceeded expectations, yeah. The hands-on skills that we learned, I think, are going to be amazing to move forward into the industry as RVers and as technicians, and help other families be able to stay on the road and enjoy those vacations that they maybe only get once a year. That's what I'm most excited about, is being able to move forward and help families enjoy their vacations and fix the RV that breaks so that they can continue making those memories and having those adventures.
It's been far better than I had expected. And I expected good things, but it's exceeded those expectations.
Exceeded expectations, that's right.